Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 13 of this modern office building. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to set up the materials we added, and I showed you where to get all the modern buildings for the background. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add decals to make it look nice. We're going to add trees and grass. So first things first, let's add in the grass. So we could select this one, isolate it, and then after you isolate, we'll be able to add or populate some grass right here. So what I'm gonna do, instead of painting, I'm gonna do scatter. I think that's good enough. If you're doing scatter, you don't need to isolate, but if you're doing paint, it's better to isolate them. So here, let's go to populate, scatter, and then we're gonna go to grass. We're gonna choose multiple. This one, long grass right here, close, and then tall grass. This one is good. And then select all of them and then scatter tool. Once you click it, as you can see, there we go. And because everything is connected, that's the result. And if we press escape and select this one, we can isolate this. So you can see that looks good right there. Even on this side, we can create this view right here, and then we could add some cars and then trees around here. So in terms of a tree, let's add them individually, specifically on this part, because I want them to be uniform, and in this way we could do multiple. So maybe 9 of this, space it out properly. I'm just gonna do it, and then let's add in 9 of them. And I'm gonna do maybe 12. Hold on shift and then 12. I think that's perfect. We have the separation there, and then we could add in some trees in front. Something like this. But I'm going to start from this right here. I'm gonna add one here as well, and then in terms of spacing, maybe 15, and then this one 5 all the way there, and then you need to copy the same thing, 15, and then this one 20. And then here at the back, we can add in some trees, bigger trees on here. and then here we could just do 10 and then 6, because it's not going to be shown too much at the background. We just need to show that there's some trees there, and then here we could add in more on this side. We can do 15 as well, and then maybe 3 only. And then just add one more here. And then here we could just add a little bit more. Maybe different kinds onto this. And then random ones. Just to give some randomness there. And then here we could maybe add this kind onto this. This one, let's use 15 and then 25. And then just move it a little bit at the back. That looks good right there, our view. And then let's add in some decals. Material. Let's go to object, decals, and then here we need to add this line mark right here. Let's make it consistent. I should have started here because we have a breakage here. Line marking. And then click on tab right there, and then here rotate it. Then these 2 lines right here, we can connect them, maybe 5, and then this one should be around 8. And then here, let's do the same thing. 5 and then maybe 20 all the way there, and then here as well. And then maybe 8 just to finish that one there. let's add this one right here onto this side. And then 20. And then 20. And then let's add a zebra crossword right here, 90 degrees. Hold on shift. Maybe 2 more. That's perfect right there. Let's add this one in the middle. Go 5 and then 10 as well, and then this one 5 and 10, 20, and then here we're going to add some lanes. 1, 2. Then we're going to add the same thing on this side. And then add it onto this side. I'm going to do 6.5 and then 10 more. Select .5 and then 20. I think that's good enough. We could add this zebra. I'm gonna add this zebra as well. Copy it and then rotate 90. Then just adding all of this onto the other side. And pushing this a little bit back. And then let's add in some street light. here. Signs, let's add signs as well. Let's add this one as well here. And then maybe 4 more. Let's add this mode. Rotate it 180. Let's do 15 and then 6 here. 15 and then 15 as well. And let's add something at the other side as well. 180 for this. And then 10. $15, 10 as well. So imagine having all of those. And then we could add in some cars. Like a bus here. Let's put it right here. Trucks. And trucks here as well. And then we need to add some cars. just adding random. And maybe another car here. Yeah, look at that. It looks nice. You can take an image like this. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.